The whole courtroom thought he was just scared, until the judge leaned forward and saw what he was holding, and everything changed. The teen stood alone, trembling. No lawyer, no parent by his side. Just a scared 16-year-old boy in an oversized hoodie and borrowed dress shoes. He'd been caught trespassing at 2 a.m. in a wealthy neighborhood. The homeowners association pressed charges: vandalism, suspicion of theft, even curfew violation. The prosecutor called him trouble, said he was part of that group always seen loitering at the community edge. The HOA wanted him made an example of, but the judge noticed something strange. The boy's hands, one clutched a crumpled envelope. His knuckles white, eyes staring down. "Son," the judge finally said, "what's in your hand?" The teen hesitated, then slowly walked up, hands shaking, and placed the letter on the bench. The courtroom was silent as the judge read it. It was written in pencil, barely legible, but every word pierced the room. It was a letter to his late mother. He had been sneaking into that neighborhood because one of the houses reminded him of her. It was the last place they walked together before she passed from cancer. The boy had been sleeping outside the gate just to feel close. He'd even started leaving little chalk, drawings on the sidewalk of her favorite flowers. What the HOA thought was vandalism was grief. The judge removed his glasses, looked at the HOA rep and the prosecutor, then down at the boy. "You weren't there to steal anything, were you?" The boy shook his head, eyes full of tears. "Just remembering her, sir." The courtroom was still. A moment passed. Then the judge spoke again. "Young man, you're not guilty of any crime. You're guilty of loving someone so deeply it hurt, and that is not a crime in this courtroom." Gasps, a few quiet sniffles. Even the sternest HOA board member looked down in shame. The judge leaned in again. "If you want to remember your mother, do it with pride, not fear." And then, the judge did something no one expected. He offered to have the boy's drawings sealed in the court's record, so her memory would never be erased again. If this story touched your heart, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who believes in compassion over judgment.